The GA is everything to me. When I was growing up in Ballyhaunis, GA was the only game in town. I was gone every evening kicking football. Every Sunday you'd be gone to a match. The Castlebar, Tuam, Sligo. It was meeting people, and I started going to meetings then, and I got the bug. I went to Coventry in August '74. Ballyhaunis football were going over on a weekend trip. That time there was a very, very big Ballyhaunis contingent in Coventry. There was a good connection between the two clubs. So I went over and I was in between jobs, and I liked what I seen, and I stayed. I became chairman, and I've done 2 7-year stints as chairman. And with a very, very rough time in the 80s, the club nearly went out of existence. But because of the people, the founders of the club, we said we had to keep the club going. And we did. We struggled, but we turned it around. We're probably his biggest club now in Britain. I'm mostly involved now with Warwickshire GA at Partnerhearing. I run the clubhouse and I maintain the grounds, and I've been doing that for the last 10 years. That's where I spend my time. You know, it gets you out of the house. You know, you're meeting people. 2004, our ladies won the first Warwickshire Championship. Our seniors, we won the Senior Championship, and our under-14s won Warwickshire, and they won the Championship of Britain. So that was major now, to win 3 county titles in the 1 year, like, you know. And I suppose if you have to push me, I'd say, seen my son Dole on that team in 2004. You know, I put that up there with anything. I'm really, really honoured. It's a great honour for the family. Like Mary, my wife, there was weekends she never seen me at all. I'd be gone because you had underage football Friday night, football Saturday, Sunday, meetings Monday, you know. And she stood by me the whole way along, 100% support.
Tá Gradam Idirnáisiúnta buite nacht ag Martin Grogan.